Hi guys, it's Ray. I have a super quick small TEMU haul today. If I can even get into this package. I only ordered a couple things and this took, this is probably the longest a TEMU haul has ever taken to arrive. But that's alright. So, this was mainly what I had wanted, but I ordered a couple more stir sticks and things. And I ordered another one of those bowls like I've been using in the bottom of my bubble remover machine. Because this is also a big mixing cup. So, but I ordered two more of my favorite little spoons. I love these to mix and then to scoop my diamond dust with. And then I ordered this assortment of mixing sticks because a lot of mine are just old and falling apart. So, a big one, a little one. These aren't my favorite. I have several of them, but... And then I thought this one was kind of unique. So, that was those. And I got two of these, which are brush cleaners. You just rub the brush on there and it'll clean off mica or anything if you're using multiples. I'll go ahead and open this bowl up real quick. But it's the same one I got before. It fits perfect in the bubble remover machine and it goes up to 600 milliliters. So it's a good big mixing cup. Now this is what I had really wanted for this order. These are faux leather. Sheets. They're felt backed. And they are metallic and they are dragonflies and butterflies. And I just thought these were so pretty. This one's just black. I love this purple one. And this one is just dragonflies. Oh no, it has butterflies too. I just had my hand over it. And then there's this one. And then this is the last one. So, that was it. Like I said, just a super quick little haul. I totally forgot to order more turtle stickers, which I needed, and I haven't placed another order. So, that's it. Just my little baby TEMU haul. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.